This is Dexter. We're going to give him a bath showing you how to use the Davis Pet Pro Washer. Okay, Dexter, let's turn around here. We put it on baby, which is going to pour shampoo through, and we turn on our machine. Really fast. Small amount of shampoo going into the water. We've got our on-off switch here. You can control it. There's some controlling the amount of water that goes through here. The thing about the Davis washer here, because the way it's going, it's washing the skin very well too. You don't have to scrub it. You just move the skin over. That's the way it's turn around. Good dog, good dog. Dexter has a knot in his hair. One thing about our washer, because the way you use this thing, it can help loosen up those knots. And also, if it's washing better, you can pull the hair out. So it can also be used as a grooming system, especially with an undercoated dog. You knock out an undercoat like a cow, it will take you a long time to wash. Dexter's doing real well because this is the first time he's ever had a bath here. He's very well washed now, so when you're ready to rinse, you got to rinse things out and switch it to rinse. And one thing about rinse, you can really control the flow with the shampoo part. You put it down through both the shampoo will come out. So we can really make it nice and comfortable around his head, his ears. And because you only put a small amount of shampoo in this thing, maybe like 100 to 1 or even maybe 200 to 1, they rinse very quickly because you know soap doesn't get stuck in that hair, and because of that too, you help dogs don't itch near as much because shampoo will not be left on because of the way you wash the animal or the dog, or we should say the darling little dog. So he would be real squeaky clean right now. You can hear that squeaky. So they're washing very well, and you didn't leave any shampoo in it. So Dexter's all done. For this demo purpose right now, we don't have it. So most people would take their blow dryer and just blow them off, and the hair fluff. And too, when you use Davis Pet Washer, the hair fluffs up a lot better because you didn't leave soap in it. Or you can just take them and towel them off right now and cage dryer, but it's real nice to do it. So you look at here, it's not even any soap here. When people wash it by the hand, the soap all drains down and they leave soap on them. So the Davis system is a much better system for washing dogs. The main thing is you get a better bath and quicker too. And talking about a dream, when you wash the big dogs, when you take this bottom of the tub out and you have a big dog in there, you really can wash those good. It makes it so much easier and faster to wash your big dog. And And still, one thing about the Davis washer, if you ever had a situation where you had a little 2-pound puppy or something, you can still just wash them the way you can, because you still got a spray gun and you can just put shampoo on them. So I'm sold on this system. It's a wonderful system.